We just got a new delivery coming in. Look at this huge truck. This thing is huge. Everybody gonna think neighbors gonna think I'm selling duffers. What's up, man? How you doing? You doing all right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. They are.
That's what I run. Are they the Grappler?
No, so I got the grapplers on there now. These are the Recon Grapplers, I believe.
Serious stuff.
Yeah. I know you pulled up in the 18-wheeler. I'm like, oh, he's in a huge 18-wheeler.
Doing it right.
Yeah. Man, these tires are huge. Recon Grapplers, 37, 13, 5, 24. They do got a pretty aggressive side pattern on them. I think so. Can you fit by? Yeah, you got room. Yeah, you're clear over here. You good, straight back. Are you taking your pallet?
Yeah, you need me to.
Yeah, I don't need the pallet. That's not good.
That's a weight room.
Yeah, they do. These suckers are heavy. Yes, sir. Wife is gonna kill me, but it's okay. Okay, guys, so y'all won the queue. What did we just get? What did you just get? So, I think I showed you anyway, but I'm just talking about it real quick. So, guys, we got the brand new Nitto Recon Grapplers AT in the 37, 13, 5, 24 F load, baby. The Nitto Recon Trail Grappler is an AT, all-terrain tire. So, these should be quieter than the Nitto Ridge Grappler. So the Nitto Ridge Grappler is a mix of a all-terrain and mud-terrain. So it's a hybrid tire. So Nitto wanted to up the game. They made an all-terrain tire for those who may not want the hybrid tire. So with all Nitto tires, like they all come, they do come with two sidewalls. So you can choose which sidewall you want facing out. So on the first sidewall, you have this here, kind of like a swooping, like a V, like an upside down V. You can see right there, that's one side. And the other side is right here, which honestly kind of reminds me of the Ridge Grappler, bro. But I'm so happy to be a part of this team, bro. Like, they're great. Like, my guy Ian, bro, Ian, if you're watching this video, bro, appreciate you so much. That's a good idea. I ain't even thinking about this.
So, I'm helping a brother out today.
Good. So here you go, same size tire. They're the same size.
Nope.
So this is more of a true all-terrain tire that Nitto made. This is a hybrid tire. So you'll notice like the grooves. I was just showing them this. See, I can get my whole finger in here. See, I can't get my whole finger in there. So it's supposed to be quieter. So this is a hybrid tire, so off-road and on-road. This tire. This tire is meant truly on the road, should be quieter when I'm driving. Remember my first set of tires? The mother tire I had?
I mean, these still can be a little noisy, but...
Which one?
The ones you have right now.
You think the Nitto's a little noisy?
A little.
The Ridge
It's not
Grappler?
completely silent is what I'm getting.
Okay, and so these are supposed to be quieter than these, right? Okay. So you can see, y'all can see the thread pattern. That's a good look right here though, to see the comparison with thread pattern. How much like bulkier and bigger. And
Sorry, y'all.
no, you good. Yeah, the sun is kind of bad. But yeah, let them look right there. They can see.
Boom.
Boom. Yeah. So y'all can see the difference in the sidewall of the ridges. So what do you think about the side? So you know, like the Nittos, they come with you. You can put them both ways. So I can put this side facing out, or so you see it, you like that side,
Okay.
or you can do this side. Which side you like? You can do that like that, or like that.
I feel like this side, because it looks like that side.
That's what I said too. I said this looks just like similar to this, not the same.
No,
like
the other
similar.
side looks similar.
You think the other side does? You think this side does?
Oh no, I'm sorry. I was looking at it wrong. No, you're good. Go back to what you get.
So you think this side looks like that?
Yeah.
That's what I said too. I feel like this looks similar to that, but a lot of people run these Recon Grapplers on this side. They said this looks more aggressive. I could be wrong. Huh?
I said do the opposite.
I know, right? I actually was thinking about running them on this side, I'll be real with you, because I thought this looked more aggressive in my opinion, but I don't know. We'll see. Hey guys, I know one thing people always say about the Nitto Ridge Grappler, especially y'all can see me, I want to try something. It's raining outside. I'm just going to slow down and floor it, see if I get some speed. Look at that. I ain't getting no traction like that at all, bro. So I know a lot of people always say like the Nitto Ridge Grappler is like spin in the rain. Bro, I get zero spin in my Nitto Ridge Grapplers in the rain, as y'all can see. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna do a little decibel test here now to see how loud they are before we get the new tires on compared to the Nitto Recon Grapplers, which is a more all-terrain tire. So yeah, here we go. We're about 45 So it seemed like it's between 67 and 68 for the Nitto Ridge Grapplers, going about normal cruising speeds of between 45 and 50 miles an hour. So now I'm gonna do a little highway test here too to see what they sound like at highway speeds of like 70, 75. So now I'm going about 75 on the highway with the Nitto Ridge Grapplers, and I just wanna see how loud they are. 70 to 72 is the range I'm seeing. I'm not sure what it was. So did you see what it was when I showed you?
It looked like 72 at first, and then it went down to like 69.
Okay, so anywhere between like, I'm gonna say 70 to 72 is what I'm seeing. With the Nitto Ridge Grapplers going about 75 miles per hour on the interstate. Hey. What's up everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who. Back with another video. I think after kicking it with you today. It's probably not an intro, it's probably a mid-intro of the video that you're watching though, you feel me? Anyway guys, today is the day I'm gonna be getting the new Nitto Recon Grapplers put on red here today, as y'all can see. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and load them up right now. I just put arrows on the stickers of the tire, which way I want facing out. Hopefully it doesn't get wiped off, but yeah, hopefully that'll be a good enough sign to let them know which way I want facing up, so. Just fall. There we go. Say your boy use that hip thrust, you get it, you click hips, baby. All in the hips, explode. I'll show y'all how to do this. So you pick up and then boom, hips. Hips, make it happen. Oh, my hamstring. Dang. I ain't crapping, man. My hamstring really did just cramp up. See, last one, y'all see? Hips. Oh, baby. My hamstring did kind of like tweak up on me. Actually, going back to playing college football and everything, my left hamstring always has given me issues. Like if I pull a hamstring, it's gonna be my left one. And I don't really think it's healed up, honestly, since then. I didn't realize how much space these tires took up. Like, holy crap, they took up the whole freaking garage. I kind of see Brielle talking about it now, but don't tell her I said that. Okay, guys, so I just want to do one more test of just the road noise of the Nitto Ridge Grapplers. Again, I have probably about 10,000, maybe 12,000 miles on these tires. All right, guys, we got the cruise set at 60 miles an hour. Let's see how loud they are. So it seems like I'm getting right around 69 to 70 decibels for the Nitto Ridge Grappler. I'm expecting the Nitto Recon Grapplers to probably be a little quieter because they're gonna be brand new. If you go on Nitto website too, guys, they have like the tire ratings, like wet performance, dry performance, like they have a rating for each tire. All right, guys, so I done made it to Texas Tires, as y'all can see right here. I just seen Texas Tire all over DFW area. I just never went to get any of their services before, but I see the locations all over when I'm driving around through Dallas. So you got this clean F250 Lariat recording. He's on some 37, 13.5, 20s fuel wheels. This thing is freaking massive. Look, it has a ready lift kit on it too, I believe. But this thing is freaking massive, dude. I'm saying, if I got a 250, I really don't know if I would lift it, man. I think I might just go a level with like low, wide stance look, because this truck is freaking massive. Like, L250 would fit me pretty good. Like, it really would. But that's a lot of truck, bro. Honestly, like, I just can't justify having that big ass truck. It's just a big truck. I don't need a truck that freaking big, but it's a beautiful truck, though. They're like, wait, it's a big truck, bro. Look how long that thing is, dude. It's so quiet. Gosh, that truck is huge, bro. Red coming. Ooh. I hope they pull it up the same. Man, yeah, red's a good looking truck, bro. How can I sell my truck? Like, seriously. The 37 looks right on this joint. I'm not gonna use a cap to you. Those tires in the back. Am I missing one? Yes, sir. Oh, you can see them side by side. Hold up. Oh, yeah, there's one. There we go. So y'all can see the F250 right next to the 150, 250, 150. Oh yeah, these look good. These look really, really good out.
Hey, bro, I'm gonna be sure to follow that Instagram page.
Oh yeah, you gotta check it out in the YouTube channel, bro.
Right,
appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
Hey, y'all did a good job. It looks good. Thanks, Ross. Now we got the Nitto Recon Grapplers on there. He said he put them at 40 PSI. But yeah, it's a good looking truck, bro. I can't sell my truck. Like, it's a good looking freaking truck. Like, y'all just saw it. But yeah, everything looks good. They got me all mounted and squared away. We got the old tires. Well, not old, they're new. Got the tires back there, they're gone. But yeah, I should walk around really quick. Beautiful truck, man. Yeah, but he got that big monstrous thing right there. Look at the difference. 250, 150, look at that. Big difference. That's a huge difference. But I don't know, I think he got a lift on that. But anyway, guys, I think we all squared away. Everything looks good. I actually do like this side better. And I'm glad I did go with this side of the design pattern better than I did the other side. Because they actually got a truck in here on the other side. Right here, this blue AT4 right there. He actually went the other way and did the other pattern. And I think these do look a tad bit better. It looks a little more sporty, in my opinion. But kind of rugged too, you know. We're going to get back on the road. I'm just do one more check, make sure everything's good. And then we're gonna see if these ride any different. Guys, instantly, I can already tell y'all, wow. My impressions when I first started driving it, wow. W-O-W, man, that's what I'm trying to say, not wild, wow. These are significantly, okay, let me take that back. These are a lot quieter than the Ridge Grapplers I just took off. I'm gonna do the decibel here in a second to see the difference. Once I get, like, I'm just in a very heavy construction area, and the roads are terrible. But instant impressions, wow. A lot quieter, a lot smoother. Gosh, Lee, these roads are terrible. What are they doing up here? It. Okay, guys, I'll see y'all in the morning. So it's a new day, and I have formed an opinion so far on the Nitto Recon Grapplers ATs. And let me tell you guys, my first instant impression was that smooth. Smooth is the word I would use to categorize these tires. I guess what I mean by smooth, it feels like they're just gliding over the road easier, if that makes sense. You know, it doesn't feel like there's friction or like restriction. Like, they just roll and glide a lot easier than the Nitto Ridge Grapplers. Even with like some of the turning and things like that, they just feel smoother. And that's the one word I would use to categorize these over the Nitto Ridge Grapplers. The second thing, they are quieter. Yes, I can tell that they are definitely quieter than the Nitto Ridge Grappler. Now, not like a significant, like mind-blowing, but they are noticeably quieter for sure. Like right now I'm driving, I can definitely tell the difference, you know. Again, these are brand new tires. The Nitto Ridge Grapplers, they have some mileage on them. So as these get broken in, of course, we'll do an update video. But like, yeah, just coming around this turn right here right now, it just feel real smooth. Really, really smooth. Ooh, that was a Mach 1. Now, I wouldn't say that has handling increased or wet usage. I haven't been in wet weather yet. with the tires to really put that to the test. Overall first impression, yes, I can see this being a great street tire. If you're torn between the Nitto Ridge Grappler and the Nitto Recon AT, if you just do a lot of highway daily driving like myself, I would definitely consider this tire. I would run this tire, absolutely. For what my applications and how I use my vehicle, my truck, I would run this tire, no question asked, absolutely. I like the way it looks, stylish look on it, a very sporty look. The Nitto Ridge Grappler is more of a rugged look, but the Nitto Ridge Grappler is probably the best looking tire on the market, honestly. Yeah, I would definitely run these tires, no question in my mind. I wouldn't hesitate. Again, I am speaking on that before I got into some rain, so you know, if I get into some rain and things like that, I'll definitely update y'all. But right now, I think it's a solid tire. It's quiet. So with that being said, the only way to really show that they're quieter is to do the little my little decibel meter test. I got it right there. I'm gonna try to do like a 40 to 45, a 55 to 60, and then of course I'm doing another highway test again at about 70 to 75 miles an hour. They set my cruise to about 60 here. This is a little different bridge, I think, than the last time. I didn't take the exact same route, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do with what you got. So here we go. Okay, I'm gonna say at 60 miles an hour, it's reading about 67 to 68. When you saw it spike up to 73, it's because I'm hitting a bump right here in the road like that. I was hitting bumps. There's bumps in this bridge, which is a very pretty view, by the way. I'm going about 45 right now. So let's see what we get. So at 45-ish miles an hour, it seems like the Nitto Recon Grapplers are going about 61, 62 dBs versus what the Ridge Grapplers were. So again, I'm gonna try to keep track and put numbers down there. I'm going off a little rough path right now, nothing crazy. And I will say, it feels smooth. The truck feels smooth, still feels smooth. It's bumpy, and I'm not gonna say that these tires haven't helped like on bumps. It still feels about the same as Nitto Ridge Grapplers, but they still do feel very smooth, I will say. All right, guys, so now we're going about 77 miles an hour, highway speed, a little faster. So let's see how loud the new tires are compared to the old ones. I just want to do a final update. Basically, the last clip I just saw, I believe the Recon Grapplers were measuring about 7 dB at 75 miles an hour, and the Ridge Grapplers, which you see in there now, were at about 69 to 72. So overall, I've been these on here now for about 2 or 3 months, the Recon Grapplers, and I will say, guys, they are very smooth. That's the word I'm using to describe them: smooth and quiet. They are quieter than the Nitto Ridge Grapplers, in my opinion. I did get a chance to drive them in the rain once, and I will tell y'all, the first experience, I had no problems. The second experience, I did experience some understeer / oversteer, which kind of scared the crap out of me, I'm be honest with y'all. I'll talk about that in another video. Great looking tire. I'm super happy with them so far. I'm really curious to see a little more wet performance from them to see, but they look great. Again, you know, I went with this sidewall right here, as y'all can see, but I love them so far. They're super quiet. That's why I like. They're very quiet. When I say quiet, like inside the cabin, you don't hear as much road noise. With the Ridge Grapplers, Ridge Grapplers, you do hear a little more road noise than you do with the Recons. That's how I'm gonna sum it up. These are a little quieter, which I would expect because all-terrain tire, you know, it's meant for a little more normal day-to-day driving. You can see here the blocks. I'm gonna show y'all one thing I didn't see. You see how the blocks aren't as high or spaced out? And then we go in here really quick. I'm gonna show y'all the Ridge Grappler, a little more spaced out, and the blocks are a little bigger. So you see here, a little more space in between each block, and look, they sit up a lot higher, but they look pretty much identical, if I'm being honest with you. But anyway, I just want to sum the video up. If you're in the market for a pair of tires, set of tires, you can go with either one, the Recon Grapplers or the Ridge Grapplers. If you ask me, Q, which one are you picking for? If you had one set, which set are you picking? I'm gonna probably go to Ridge Grapplers, guy. I just love that tire. It's the look, it's the style, and based on the experience in the rain I had, they are a little better in the rain than what I experienced so far with these. I'm gonna give these a little more time. They were brand new, but yeah, I like the Ridge so far if I would have to go with a tire, but these are quiet. So if you do a lot of highway driving, guys, and you live in a pretty dry state like Florida or maybe here in Texas, you won't go wrong with these. These are quiet. I like these. So anyway, hope that's on the video up. That's all I got. It's your boy Q. There's Red. I'll catch y'all next video. Peace.